For today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I have a couple boxes here. I'm still waiting on one package currently, but that's not supposed to come until Saturday, and so I'll just do these ones now. Sorry I look a bit rough, I just got off work, but I want to do this before I get to anything else. So I'll just start with the packages that I know what they are. This one I did already open, Halo Beauty, which is by Tati, if any of you guys watch her. I got the Kiwi Seed Booster, which is for skin, so it's supposed to diminish fine lines and wrinkles and whatnot, and also help with acne. It's supposed to help promote healthy skin, so I'm excited to try this. I did open it because I got it like 3-ish days ago, and so I just wanted to try it then instead of waiting. I'm excited for this one because I want to test this out. I'm actually very intrigued if I can get it open. Oh Jesus, they don't even have a side that opens on here. Alright, this I ordered from Mae Cosmetics. Is the Enchanted Glitter Palette, and the palette itself is really glittery. They really don't want you to get into this package. The palette itself is made out of glitter. I enjoy this. I'm a glitter person. I'm a glitter gal. I love this. So I ordered this because I was seeing swatches, and I'm always skeptical of these palettes because I feel like most of them with the actual glitter in them are just a glitter overlay with lots of petroleum, and it's not like actual glitter, but the swatches looked really nice. And, oh my god. I don't know. So this will be a test out in a different video, which when that is finished and uploaded, I will link that in the description box below. But I'm honestly, it looks really nice. I love glitter. So these two have little stars in it, and this one's all white stars. This one's silver-ish. And this one also has multicolors, obviously. This one's stars and circles, and this one's just circles. So that'd be why there's 4 different white ones, and this one kind of has a purple sheen to it. I could see in the mirror there. I'm really excited to test this out, so that'll be in a different video. This one I know what it is. It's from Bath & Body Works. Jesus. Stuffing. Oh my god. They put a really big box for, okay. Well, I'm gonna start with, I ordered, because my mom has these and I love it, and I've been a dancer since I was 5, and so this has become my go-to foot cream. It's a am I saying this right? Glycolic acid peel, but it's a lotion, so it lotions them at the same time. So I got 2 of those. And then just for myself, just to be nice to myself, I guess, I ordered a candle as well. And this one is the scent of flannel, which smells really good to me. It has mahogany teakwood in it, so it's kind of a manly smell, but also smells like fall and clean clothes, I guess. This one is the one that I know what it is, but it's a mystery bag, so I don't really know what's in it. So this site called Inspiration Fit has mystery bags for their clothes. So this one's a fall mystery bag, and it's supposed to have 4 fall type items in it. Alright. Ooh, so the first one's a tank top. This says Booyah, so they're really punny. I don't know if you can see that. Booyah, and it's red. This looks nice. It is very soft and thick too. Oh yes! I saw this on their site. So they do have some that you can view or buy for just separately. This was on one of their previews of the things you could get in the bag. So this is just a t-shirt, which is still very soft. Wow. This says Basic Witch. There's another t-shirt that says Black Friday Squad, which I'm not exactly sure how this is fall related. Well, I guess because Black Friday is and Thanksgiving, duh. And then there's a Crewneck Sweatshirt in here. And this is one of the ones I was hoping to get. This says Thankful. So I wonder if this doesn't look like the boyfriend fit. I don't know about the white. This might get dirty, but it does look very, like, I like my sweatshirts bigger, so this does look very nice and not form-fitting, but I do like that it has the cuffs on the arms. And it is very soft on the inside too. So they have very good items. I might order myself a boyfriend style sweatshirt, but they do have very good items, and the mystery bag I got that has the 4 fall items, you do get at least one sweatshirt or hoodie, and then other fall related styles. The tank top is obviously fall related for certain areas of the world, but they do say that that comes in there, so it's more like 2 t-shirts and a sweatshirt and then the tank top. The bag I got is $34.99, but it's on sale, so it's usually either $100 or $120. And then there is bag options that only come with 3, but they cost more, and one of them either comes with all tank tops, so if you live in the more hotter areas during the fall, and one of them comes with like mainly sweatshirts and t-shirts, and one of them comes with sweatshirts, a mix of them all. So that will be an option, and I'm excited to try that palette out for you guys. Hi guys, I got my last package actually yesterday. It's been really hard not to open it, but I waited, and here we are. So let's open it now. Kind of, it's like a bubble wrap that you can't pop. This is sad. If you look inside the box, it is actually, this is cute, a Morphe box. Yes, there's more than one thing in here, just to let you know. So I only have like 2 blushes, and they're like the sample size blushes. So I don't really have a lot of blushes, so I got the 8 Warm Master Palette from Morphe. I do have more of a warm skin tone-ish, at least in my foundations I do. So I kind of want to open this. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. As you can see, it's all warm tones, and it does not come with a mirror, but obviously if you're using 8 blushes, there's only one place it can really go. Don't know how I feel about these 3 shimmer shades, Shimmer Blushes. I really liked these 2 because I'm more of a peachy colored blush person, and I really like this one, but I'm feeling I'll have to use it with a light hand. And then I'm nervous to try this one out because I saw Tati and, what's his name? I saw Tati and Thomas do their collab on her channel where they use products that they do not like, and it was the new version of this, so I'm a little skeptical, but we will see, I guess. I got the Jacqueline Hill Vault palette, but I only bought one of them because honestly, the other 3, except for the shimmery, like, bright shimmer purple, I have pretty much all the colors in all of the palettes. And if you would like to see a video of my palette collection, go ahead and comment that down below. But I do have a lot of the colors that are in the other 3 palettes. But this one is the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which I'm glad you can buy them separately. They just bubble wrapped everything in here. Like, they don't want anything to be broken when they ship it to you. Alright, so obviously we all know what the front of this looks like. And then here is the inside, and it does come with a mirror. And I mainly bought it because I really enjoy this army green color and this orange color. And Prowl's kind of like a purple brown. but I really enjoyed that. So I'm nervous to test this out, but I guess we'll find out whether the second one is still inconsistent or not, because I guess in Tati's video, which if you have not seen her, go check her out because she's one of my favorites, they talked about how it's the second release of it and it's still inconsistent in some of the colors, and she used the army green color and that one was inconsistent. If you'd like to see a video on this, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure it's been over videoized, if that's even a word. I don't think that's a word. It's been in a lot of videos. So just let me know if you'd like to see this. I'll have to test it out and play around with it, but I do like the colors in this palette. That's all for my unboxing video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will link a video of me testing out this palette. If you'd like to see that, that will be linked below when I post it, of the glitters. I'm actually really excited to try this. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video, and leave a comment of anything you would like to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.